flooded submarine adventure.
It's time for me to go. Bye-bye. Oh no! Help! Help!
Welcome to the TinkerBot Repair Center. Oh my! Why are there fish in here?
I forgot to close the door when I was diving down.
Oh, I see. First, I'll move the fish to a safe place.
Okay.
Hey you! How did you get in here? Now let's pump the water out.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
All the water is gone. Let's go to the washroom and clean you up. Size medium. Dirt level normal. Dirt type. Perfect! First, rinse off the salty water. Let's scrape off the dirt first. Oh no! There are cracks here! We must fix them! Paint now! Fix done! Rinse with clean water. Add some bubbles. Rinse it really well. Blow dry with a fan. Finally, wax and polish. All done! Great job!
Wow! I'm full of energy now. Thank you so much, TinkerBot. I'm going on my mission now. Bye-bye.
Bye! And remember, always close the door before you dive.